Has the company invested in its customers and service in a way that it should have done in its position in the market? Historically, probably not, but I think that culture has changed. I think a lot of it is about the culture of the company and about having a culture that really embraces customers and cares about how you treat them. So I think we're looking at the whole customer experience and trying to relentlessly improve that customer experience. So for instance, the level of outstanding complaints that we're sitting on today versus say a year ago has gone down tenfold. So we're not going to kind of build Rome overnight, but we have got a desire and an ambition to offer great customer service. So hopefully when we talk again, we'll be if not the fifth favourite, we'll certainly not be the fifth least favourite operator. But it is a relentless process, and I think the commitment from everyone from the Chief Executive Richard Mote downwards is around creating great customer service. Because to be honest, you can provide all the bells and whistles, but if you're not picking the phone up and you're not answering complaints in a business which is inherently technical and therefore does suffer from breakages, etc., these things happen, but it's how you deal with them. And I think it's having a humble approach and treating our customers maybe with more respect than we have a reputation for. I think, if we're being totally honest, Eircom hasn't always provided either the best service, and maybe the investment at certain points was, as you mentioned earlier, was potentially lagging some of our more forward-thinking competitors. But I think we've more than caught up. But sometimes you've got to really prove it to customers before they really believe it. So I think again, actions speak louder than my words, and we have to deliver the products and the service, and people judge it on our ability to do that. Maybe I shouldn't say that. I think under it, it is a company that I think people care about. Well, they can care about it positively or negatively, but Eircom is a major part of the country. It's been around an awful long time in various guises, and people are interested, and it touches an awful lot of people. But I think we can do it better. I think, I don't think always the public recognise the investment we have made. And, we've invested a huge amount in putting a fibre network in. We've announced today again that we're going to continue to make that investment more than anybody else. Eircom's had a number of ups and downs, and I think, we're into the up phase now. So I think we can't really judge the business on its history. We should judge it on its current and its future. And I think the future ambitions of Eircom are very aggressive. And I think we have an ambition to be the biggest and the best provider of superfast services in Ireland.